Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 27th, our word of the day is cogent. C-O-G-E-N-T. Cogent. Cogent is a 6-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Cogent means clear, logical, and convincing. In other words, persuasive and well expressed. Similar words include compelling, conclusive, convincing, decisive, effective, forceful, persuasive, strong, telling, weighty. Examples of sentences using cogent are: having put forth an indisputably cogent argument, Sally won the debate. The newspaper's lawyers must prepare a cogent appeal. He makes a cogent argument for improving early childhood education. The results of the DNA fingerprinting were the most cogent evidence for acquittal. He produced cogent reasons for the change of policy. The court will require clear, cogent evidence before its decision can be changed. Make sure to save this new word, cogent, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.